investigating the impact of manipulating electronic reader programs for developing EFL senior learners' reading speed and loud reading skills. This study looked at how using electronic reading programs can help senior students learning English as a foreign language EFL improve their reading abilities. The research involved 20 students from King Marriott Academy in Alexandria, Egypt. The focus was on two main areas: reading speed and loud reading skills. After training with the electronic reader, students were able to read faster and more clearly. On average, their reading speed increased by 45 words per minute, and their loud reading skills improved by 20%. However, the study also found that reading faster does not necessarily mean better understanding of the text. In other words, while students gained speed and fluency, this did not directly improve their comprehension levels. The findings suggest that electronic reading tools can be effective in building speed and confidence in reading, but extra support may be needed to strengthen comprehension. Introduction. Eye span, also called reading span or visual span, refers to how many words or letters a reader can see and understand in a single glance. On average, most people can recognize 7 to 11 letters at once. The wider this span is, the more words a person can process quickly, which helps improve reading speed. Training the eyes to move effectively and to capture more words in each fixation is important for becoming a faster reader. Research shows mixed results about whether reading faster also means better understanding. In a first language, many studies show a positive link. Children and trained readers who read faster often understand more. However, in a second or foreign language, the relationship is less clear. Some studies suggest that speed reading can improve comprehension, while others show only small improvements. This uncertainty is why the current study explores how speed reading relates to comprehension in EFL learners. Conclusion. This study tested how an electronic reading program, Natural Reader, could improve the reading abilities of senior students learning English as a foreign language EFL. The program was used to train students in both speed reading and loud reading. After the treatment, participants increased their reading speed by 45 words per minute and showed noticeable improvement in reading aloud. The program was effective because it guided eye movements, reduced unnecessary pauses, and highlighted the text while being read. This helped students read more smoothly and cover larger chunks of text at once. However, the study also found that reading faster did not automatically lead to better understanding of the material. Factors such as vocabulary knowledge and prior background on the topic played a bigger role in comprehension. In conclusion, Natural Reader is useful for improving speed and fluency, but extra support is needed to enhance comprehension. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.